You're listening to RIAcast, a podcast of the Southwest Florida Real Estate Investment Association. RIAcast brings together a variety of real estate entrepreneurs from all over the world to share tips and ideas. The core purpose of the Southwest Florida RIA is to help members become more profitable and successful through networking, education, and empowerment. Here are your hosts, Jeff Tamarello and Michael Lyons.
Now, what about leverage versus cash? Do you buy 10 with your money or do you buy 2?
Good question. And of course, and that's the perspective of the person, how much cash they have. Some people are limited, but if you have the cash to invest, again, it depends on their circumstances. But in most cases, the most successful investors that I work with that are having long-term buy and hold situations, if they do leverage, they have a game plan to get that leverage paid off, or they're buying it cash. Now, obviously, I know that opinion can vary depending on their circumstances or what kind of money they have in the bank account. So that can vary. But I just would be really cautious about over leveraging and buying a bunch of properties where you don't have too much equity in them. So if something were to go south, you've got a problem on your hands. Like a lot of people dealt with years ago when the market crashed. I'm not proposing that's going to happen again. But whenever you can buy something cash and get a good return on it, how can you go wrong?
Yeah.
So taking some cash out, not over leveraging and buying a few more with a little bit of leverage, absolutely. But having a fully leveraged portfolio, I would say that's not the best way to approach it.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's while you can amplify your returns, you can also amplify your losses.
True. Yep.
It's the best way I know to put it.
Oh yeah, and being aggressive is great. Buying rental property and getting a bunch of them is great, but be smart about your, know your limits, know your income and your money and where it's going to be at, and have a game plan. But some people over leverage and they get in a bind. You over leverage and you have 2 properties that need a roof and you don't have the cash to do it. You have a problem on your hands. They can get worse and worse. And so anyway, just got to be smart about it.
This concludes this edition of RIAcast. Be sure to subscribe to receive our next episode. You can also subscribe at our website, www.swflreia.com. See you at a meeting soon. Please let us know if you have a suggestion for a future episode.